brother. That's nice. Got her on a lift, doing the exhaust. Just going through, spritzing off all these bolts here. That's some good stuff right here. And open up the hood. Get some more light. There's one side. There's that side. Sprayed all this crap too, so that's what helped out a lot. Otherwise, would have been a bitch. Alright, got the whole exhaust out. It wasn't too bad. Kind of came out in one big piece. The only thing I had to cut was the intermediate pipe, right off the downpipe. And it's honestly not that bad of a stock exhaust system. Over here opens up to a 4-inch. To the muffler, I think it's about 3.5 or so, downpipe. So it flows pretty well, but need more better. Here's the MBRP. Here's this little resonator. It's a muffler. It's not a muffler, it's a resonator. And then here's all the pipe that's 4-inch all the way back. Let's get her in. Really? Then they give me a V-band? They want me to reuse the old one, huh? Snakes. Fucking snakes. Okay, I guess I'll reuse this old thing. Good thing I didn't nuke it. Thanks, MBRP. Alright, so I got that nut on, or I got that clamp on. This zinger down the whole way close. So I got it to the point where I could still wiggle it around, clamps on. I loosened up that as well. Get some wiggle on it with the rest. Part of the instructions, it says to put the extension pipe, then the other extension pipe, but then you have all that length hanging on that downpipe flange slash the little mount up front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hang the exhaust back there. I need the two. They're hanging down. Right here, right here. Get the exhaust hanging, looking forward. Then I'm going to finish up that way. It gives you those little hangers, and apparently it's supposed to go on there just like that. So let's see how she does. Go wrap around the pipe, and then there's your hanger there. while I'm tightening these bastards down, tapping them. Make sure I got a proper seat. How's it look over here? Yeah, looks about right. I'm gonna check up top. All right, and the last portion, I'm gonna hook up that tailpipe. All right, so I gotta do some tricky finagling here. Get this hanger on. Alrighty, fired her up. Just check for leaks. Everything's good. So this was weird. I had to install this kind of backwards, but like different from what the illustrated parts breakdown showed me. But it was pretty fair. It was pretty simple. These MBRPs are easy. The only downside was that I had to reuse that stupid clamp, but thankfully I don't live in shit parts of the country. It was actually pretty easy to put. Oh, I need to tighten that up. That's about it. But yeah, she was easy. And so far, diagonal sounds pretty decent. I opted for this because I didn't want to have any drone. But yeah, see how she sounds. How she sound now, brother? Bitchin'. Shifting too quick. You gotta take about 45 seconds in between each to let everybody know that you're driving a 6-speed Cummins. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Would you just listen to it? I'm white trash and I'm in trouble. This door's open. Like 1800 RPM, going 40, I'm in 5th. There's no drone whatsoever. That's good. Well, I don't know about whenever I'm pulling load. Brother, I'm loading up. Oh, I updated my truck bed too. I made a post on Instagram. If you guys are a part of that, it's fine if you're not, I don't care. Rowdy. I like it. Very nice. That's nice.